he goes. He's pulling it.
Oh yeah. Let him take it a little bit more. I got one too. I got one too. Oh yeah, I got one too. Look at this. Oh, he's taking. I'm gonna let him take some line out here. Uh-oh, look at this. He's taking line like crazy.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, watch this. Watch this. Here we go.
That's really cool.
I got him. Whatever I have, I got.
Look at him. Heck yeah!
We're out here today. We rode our mountain bikes all the way out here. We're doing some creek fishing. We packed our little rods because they're working great. They cast great. They're easy to pack. But we're not catching any microfish today. We're actually catching some gar. We got a pool right here that's full of gar. We're going to be fishing this and seeing what we can get into here. But it's full of fish. This whole river, we're trying to find the right bends and we're going to see what we can catch. I just let it drop at the end of this log here and they bite right away.
I just let him take the line and... Yep, he's got it.
Oh yeah, you got one. We don't hook him this time. We're going to put a circle hook on. Screw it.
Yeah, look.
Oh, I got one too. I got one too.
Oh, wow. Look at your line go.
Oh. I'm going to let him take it this time.
Me too. Do we both have one?
Yeah, we do.
Look at our line go.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at mine. Oh,
Oh, you got one.
oh, shoot.
He's still on
Did he
there.
break it? Oh, man, I got to put a circle hook on this. Is yours still on?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What happened? No, he didn't break mine.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, he took it off.
Oh, wait, did the line break?
Took it off.
No, we got a hook.
Because that big one will break this line.
Yeah, that's true. These little rods are holding out pretty good.
Here, I'll get back on this side. If you cast right up by that log and just let it sink, you'll get one.
I'm gonna do like over here.
Oh, beauty. Ooh, that was a big one right there. Oh, that's a beauty right there. Just let that sink right there.
Yep.
You'll either get a catfish or something there for sure. Oh, I got one now. Oh, let him take it. I'm going to let him take it. There he goes. Look at this one. Oh, yeah. Watch this. Oh, I had him. I had him. Aggressive.
Oh yeah, I feel him.
Yeah, you're getting a bite?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Run with it. Look.
Oh, I got one too. Yep, I got one too. Here we go. I got one too. Oh, there we go. Look at this one. I got one. I got one. Look at, I got this one. I got this one. I got this one.
You got him.
I got him.
Nice. About time.
I got him. Come over here. I got him.
Man, he's feisty. Holy. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Nice. Look at that.
Look at this one. Oh, man.
That's awesome. Hold
Look
him
at
up
this.
for us.
Yeah, check this out. Let's.
Oh, be careful he doesn't whack you out.
I gotta hold him really tight.
Ooh.
Oh.
Be very careful.
Okay, hang on. Look at the teeth on this thing. So I got him. We actually hooked him this time.
Perfect. I knew he would.
Where's this hook? Okay, there, it's out. Okay.
Nice catch.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, man. We're gonna have to get that. Oh, he still got grass in his mouth. Oh yeah, you do. That's a nice one. Oh wow. Holy crap. Whoa. You got this one. And he's big.
I don't want him to come off.
No, wait, don't. Whoa, let him pull drag. Holy jeez. Whoa. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Oh, I got him. Look at this one.
Oh, beauty.
Wow. Look at this one.
Nice pet.
Look at this one. Beauty. Look at that one. Beauty. Look at him. I'm gonna let this one go. Nice little hook set right here. Got that barb pinched down. Oh, you got one coming after it right now.
Yeah, look at that.
Ooh, that was a bass. That's a bass. You might get a bass. He's gonna bite it. Oh, reel!
I got
Oh!
him.
Holy crap! Wow!
Did you see that?
That was out of control!
Are you kidding me?
Wait, there go.
Oh! Wow. He was really aggressive. Holy. Where'd he go?
He bit it. He bit it. Oh, let him take it. Let him. Oh, and I got one too. Oh, he broke my line. Oh no, he took it off. Wait, let him take it.
Coming.
Oh yeah, he's got yours. Look at that.
I see you.
He's gonna break the line. I think the line is. Oh, reel! You got him. Oh shit! I got one too. Whoa! Double hitter. Oh shit!
no.
Yeah. Did he break it?
Let's see.
We might have to put a leader on.
No.
Oh, he just took it. And did you see I had a bluegill on? I mean, I had a sunfish on too at the same time. Did you see that?
Awesome.
That was cool.
Look at him take it.
Yeah, he's on yours. Oh, I got one too. Oh, look at this. What do I got? Oh, yes. Nice. Look at this beauty. Beauty little sunfish here.
Nice catch. Wow.
Look at this guy. Look at the colors on this. Man, that is just amazing. Look at that.
That's a nice catch. Wow, look at the blue and the orange. And his-
Beautiful, ain't it?
Yeah, he is.
Oh, that's a nice cast. Yeah, that's a beauty.
Something's on it. I think something's on it. Look at my line.
Yeah, you got something on it for sure.
Look.
Holy crap. Wow, he's gonna take it into that log. Whoa! You got him! Is he off?
Yeah.
Oh, we might have to put a circle hook on.
Should we? I think
Well,
we
if
should.
we want to start catching them, I just gotta tie them on. Smaller ones. There's another one going for your line. I saw him swimming towards it.
I love when the line just goes. Like when they just start pulling it. There he goes. He's pulling it.
Oh yeah. Let him take it a little bit more. I got one too. I got one too. Oh yeah, I got one too. Look at this. Oh, he's taking. I'm gonna let him take some line out here. Uh-oh, look at this. He's taking line like crazy.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, watch this. Watch this. Here we go.
That's really cool.
I got him. Whatever I have, I got.
Ooh, what is that?
I don't know. Oh, it's off.
Oh,
It's off. It was a sunfish.
wow.
Yeah.
It's alright. Keep trying.